I am making an asparagus mimosa, which is roast asparagus with chopped eggs and a delicious lemon, basil and shallot vinaigrette. It's a fantastic weeknight supper and also a brilliant Easter starter. So while the asparagus is roasting, I'm going to make the dressing. So in go the shallots, next to some beautiful, sweet, fresh basil, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, zest and juice of 1 lemon, and some olive oil, and that is it. Look at the colour of those yolks. So finely chop up the eggs. The asparagus has roasted and it literally took between 8 and 10 minutes, depending on the size of the spears. And next, sprinkle over the chopped eggies. And lastly, the beautiful basil lemon vinaigrette dressing. Yum! That is it.